Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by using a data-capable USB cable and unlocking your phone so it's ready to communicate. Once you plug the phone into the laptop, Windows will begin detecting hardware. Make sure you watch the notification area. You may see a prompt on the phone asking to allow file transfer. Tap Allow. You're initiating a connection, not just charging, so choose the transfer option when asked. Once done, Windows should attempt to install drivers automatically before you proceed to file access. Now you choose the correct transfer mode so files can move. On Android, pick File Transfer or MTP. On iPhone, tap Trust when prompted and enter your passcode if needed. Then open File Explorer and locate your phone listed under this PC or Devices and Drives. If Windows installs drivers, let it finish. Interrupting can leave the device unrecognized. Once the folder appears, you can browse photos, videos, and folders. You'll be ready to copy, move, or backup content shortly. To complete the task, drag and drop or copy and paste files between folders while watching the transfer progress. Large files take longer. When you finish, close any Explorer windows accessing the phone and use Safe Remove Hardware before unplugging to prevent corruption. If Windows doesn't show the device, make sure the phone's transfer mode is active. Enable USB debugging for advanced Android troubleshooting, or update the laptop's USB and MTP drivers. Reinstalling drivers often resolves persistent recognition issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.